Now we have the final call for the wheelbarrow race. Blue. Final call for the 100 meters. Lane 3 Nikki Raj, Lane 4 Meghana, Lane 5 Adarsa, Lane 6 Harshini. Race winners and the juniors 100 meters dash boys and girls winners, please go to the victory stand right now. I request Reverend Father Anand Rao to give away the medals to the winners. The wheelbarrow race, the first place goes to the red.
Madam,
The first place goes to Meghana, second place goes to Nikki Raj, and we have two children standing at the third place, Harshini and Hadasa. Meghana, after you receive your medal, please. In national and international levels, Reverend Father Anand Rao will give away the prizes. I request the children who have received medals in the international field and national field to kindly go to the victory stand right now. Harshita, LKG, we have Lekana, K. Lekana from LKG. Please go and receive your medal, children. Lekana from LKG. UKG Sri Vaishnavi, first standard G Saharsha, second standard Rama Sanvi G, third standard Pragnya Sri K, fourth standard Kavya N Shah, fifth standard Sai Charan P, 6th standard Nitish Kumar P, 7th standard Sri Harika D, 8th standard Jnana Satya Swarup, 9th standard Maunika CH.
what standard you are?
UKG Lekana, UKG Sri Vaishnavi, first standard G Saharsh, second standard Rama Sanvi, third standard Pragnya Sri K, fourth standard standard Sai Sharan P. 6th standard Nitish Kumar P. 7th standard Sri Harika D. 8th standard Jnana Satya Swaro. 9th standard Maunika CH. To please give away the prizes for all the group games. Lennon Ashish K, Blue House comes second. Kevin Chris George R, Green House comes third. They belong to class 1. Samuel Joseph Raju K, Green House. Lennon Ashish K, Blue House. And Kevin Chris George R, Green House. Girls 50 meters, we have Hamsini S, Blue House, Charishma Vemagiri, Yellow House, Yashashwini Lakshmi Priya G, Red House. Hamsini comes first, Charishma second and Yashashwini third. Now we have class 2 winners for the 50 meter race. Shyam Kumar S, Red House, Vamsi Krishna V, Red House, Gautam Anand N, Yellow House. Shyam comes first, Vamsi second and Gautam third. S. Meghna, please come once again to Chester sir at once to the reception desk. 50 meters girls, class 2. Chaitra Chowdhury, first place. Likita K, second place. And Hepzibah P, third place. Once again, Chaitra Chowdhury first, Likita second, Hepzibah third. N, Yellow House. Shyam comes first, Vamsi second and Gautam third. S. Meghna, please come once again to Chester sir at once to the reception desk. 50 meters girls, class 2. Chaitra Chowdhury, first place. Likita K, second place. And Hepzibah P, third place. Once again, Chaitra Chowdhury first, Likita second, Hepzibah third. Chaitresh first, Revan second and Krupa Sagar third. Fourth standard, Chaviraj second and Priya Vardhani third. Once again, Lalita first, Chaviraj second and Priya Vardhani third.
Bye.
75 meters boys class 4. Venkata Gautam first, Sailesh Komal second, Yogeshwar third. We have one more third prize, Bala Venkateswara. Once again, Venkata Gautam first, Sailesh Komal second, Yogeshwar Sai Durga and Bala Venkateswara both get the third place. 75 meters girls class 4. Jainam third. Shot put winners junior girls. Jyoti Kumari first. Veeraj Manavi second. Sahiti Alaikya third. Jyoti Kumari first. Veera Janavi second and Sahiti Alaikya third. Shot put Naidu third. Devaraj G first. Swaroop CH second. Shivaram Naidu G third. Shot put final senior winners girls. Satyadarshini K first. Marianne Glover second. Monica CH third. Shot put senior winners girls. Satyadarshini first. Marianne Glover second and Monica CH third. 200 meters senior boys. Shivaram Krishna G first. Bhaskar K second. Swaroop CH third. Shivaram Krishna first. Bhaskar K second. Swaroop CH third. Now we have the 200 meters senior girls. The winners are Gauri Namrata first. Sumalahari second. Sri Mahalakshmi third. Gauri Namrata, Sumalahari and Mahalakshmi. Children, now we have the winners for the football team. The first place goes to the blue group. Football team winners, blue group. The senior team, Yashpal Jain, Ashish Reddy, Swami, Bhaskar, Sivaram Naidu, Swaroop, Nikhil, Neeraj, Praneeth, Solomon and Sandeep.
Sir.
The runners are the yellow group, Jnana Satya Swaroop, Charlie Pranay, Devaraj, Jashwan, Durgesh, Piyush, Prerit, Cyrus, Dawn, Ajit Moses, Sai Kiran, David, Raj Samuel. Children, kindly settle down. We will now honor our guests of honor. We will felicitate and honor them with a memento. Thank you very much, sir. Children, all the remaining prizes will be given on Children's Day. Remaining prizes will be given on Children's Day. Kindly note, children, the remaining prizes will be given on Children's Day.
And frame it.
Our correspondent will now felicitate and honor our Provincial Superior, Reverend Sister Kusma.
Madam. Madam, photo please.
I now request our principal, Reverend Sister Jansi, to felicitate and honor Mr. M. Ranga Prasad, Managing Director of SB Ventures. Nikki Raj, you are wanted by Justice Sir at the reception desk.
Madam, photo please. Nice. Madam. Sit.
The seniors individual championship goes to Sivaram Krishna B of the Red House. Individual championship goes to Sivaram Krishna B of the Red House. And the girl juniors individual championship goes to Venkat Reddy from the Red House and P. Likita from the Yellow House.
You ready? Madam. Madam. Sister.
Our chief guest, Mrs. B. Rajkumari, Superintendent of Urban Zilla Police, Rajmahindra, President of the functions, Reverend Sister Kusuma, Provincial Superior St. Anne's Society, Northern Province, Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Anand Rao, our parish priest, SB Ventures, Rajmahindra, our correspondent, Sister Josephine, our principal, Sister Jansi, our LKG in charge, Sister Liliosa, parents, teachers, and my dear students. The unparalleled success of this program is due to several willing heads and hands and also tireless efforts. I would first like to thank God Almighty, who has always been by our side, guiding us and blessing us abundantly. My heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. B. Rajakumari, IPS, for having spent precious time with us in spite of her busy schedule. A special thanks to the President, Sister Kusuma, who in spite of her busy schedule, took time out and encouraged us with her presence. Also, Sister, thank you for your inspiring speech. A warm and heartfelt thank you to Reverend Father Anand Rao, parish priest, for gracing this event. A very heartfelt gratitude to our guest of honor, Mr. Ranga Prasad, for being here and making us feel proud that you are a product of this very school. Sister Josephine, our correspondent, a warm thank you for everything you have done and for always encouraging us and appreciating us. Thank you, Sister Liliosa, for providing us support and adding such a special element, your tiny tots, who were a treat to watch. I thank all the dignitaries and heads of different schools for joining us today. Our principal, Sister Jansi, has stood by our side, guiding us, encouraging us.